Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. We have a great collab here, Avril Lavigne and Simple Plan. Perhaps you heard both of them. Anyway, they do Young and Dumb, and this is a punk rockish song. What else can you expect from this collab? So we're gonna look into this song. We have 4 chords that just rolls in the same way through the entire song when it comes to the order of the chords, but we're gonna look into different styles of playing it. So let's go into this tutorial, and as you can see, no need for any capo here. We're going clean on the fretboard and 4 chords, starting with F. So that's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there, then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord will be C. Okay, so that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have D minor next. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And finally we have the A sharp. We're gonna go with the sus version, the easier one, because it doesn't hurt and it's a lot easier. So you're gonna place your index finger again on the 1st fret as a bar, this time just 5 strings, so you don't have to incorporate the last E string here in the bass. And then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. Okay, so like I said, 2 different styles, and first and foremost we have to separate the verse from the chorus play, because the verse play, you're gonna stay on the chord half as long as for the chorus. Okay, so for verse we go into the first way of playing this, and that is just playing downs. Very punk rockish. You're gonna just chew on the bass strings basically. So if you do that, then you're gonna play 8 fast downs per chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it goes that fast, and I count in my head in 4s, so that's easier to have a grip of how long you're gonna stay on the chord. So you can go either just plain downs or use your backside of your hand here to mute the sound and play like that. Okay, so 8 downs in total of each and every chord in the same order. So F 8, C 8, D minor 8, and A sharp 8, like this. Okay, and if you are in the chorus play, you will double up and play 16. Okay, with the same type of strumming. If you go with a little bit more relaxed version, then you will play down up instead. You don't have to work that much with your wrist, and then of course you have to play half amounts of down ups, okay, because they are 2 there down up instead of just 1 down. So that means for verse play you play 4 down ups. Okay, so like this. So down up, 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 down up. And you double up when you come to the chorus play if you choose this way of playing. Then we have the final part, and this is the one I recommend, just one guitar. And you can hear that one in the end of the song. If you go way back to 2 minutes and 46 seconds in, almost in the end, you will hear one guitar playing this. Okay, so you're gonna play F, then down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So down, down, and then up, down, down, up, down, up. Again. And then you immediately switch and go into the next chord. So in a context with the chords, you're gonna play 1 of these per chord, and it goes like this. And that's it, my friends. Avril Lavigne and Simple Plan delivers on Young and Dumb. Hope you enjoy this, and if you did, feel free to support me on Golden Guitar. I appreciate that a lot. So thank you for watching, and until next time, play tuned.